The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, and Scotiabank are pleased to support the global initiative to celebrate entrepreneurs worldwide.
Fellow Jamaicans, Jamaica has joined nearly 150 countries in celebrating Global Entrepreneurship Week. And to complement this, the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce has launched the MSME and Entrepreneurship Policy, together with various legislation to help you, our aspiring and existing entrepreneurs. During this week, we take time out to salute you, the real and potential entrepreneurs.
Global Entrepreneurship Week, or GEW, is the world's largest celebration of innovators and job creators who launch startups and bring ideas to life.
Scotiabank has been serving the business community in Jamaica for 125 years and remains committed to working with small and medium enterprises to help grow their businesses. Armed with this mandate since 2013, Scotiabank has partnered with the Jamaica Business Development Corporation in hosting Global Entrepreneurship Week.
GEW 2014 is being celebrated worldwide from November 17 to 23. Over 10 events right across Jamaica. Let's join the world in celebrating our local entrepreneurs. Make lasting connections, grow your business, attract the right opportunities. Global Entrepreneurship Week, Jamaica.
We want to celebrate, we want to inspire. Along with our private and public sector partners, we are shaping the entrepreneurial mindset.